comparatively, alternative funding, the cost of alternative funds will be higher than the cost of traditional funds.
Yep.
The speed of traditional funds will be much slower than the speed of alternative funds. And the requirements to receive traditional funds will be more. There will be more to acquire those funds than there will be to acquire alternative funds. I mentioned earlier some typical disqualifiers for traditional financing. One of the biggest ones is credit. So a traditional bank is going to look at credit. If it's not good enough, you can't get traditional financing. They're going to look at collateral, and then time in business, and time in which the funds are needed. So if you haven't been in business long enough, you're not going to qualify, like usually 2 years at least. You're not going to qualify for traditional financing. And if you need the money quickly, a bank can't move in the primary market as quickly as they can in the secondary market. So if you need money in 24 hours, a bank won't be able to do that.
Yeah. So, and I think the way we should think about this is it's risk reward, right? So an SBA loan, Small Business Administration, it's going to be your cheapest money, but you have to jump through a lot of hoops. So there are a lot of paperwork in meeting the requirements for an SBA loan, right? And so higher interest rates because, these alternative sources of banking, if you need money to make payroll next week, I don't care. And I know what that feels like as an entrepreneur. Who would want to lend you money, right? There's obviously a problem in your business. So they have their own risk reward calculation, right? And so you might have really good reasons for not sure how you're gonna make it next week because you got $1 million order that you're just waiting on the customer to pay you and they're a couple days late. So there are really good reasons to still have cash flow concerns for a very successful, profitable company. But just know it's going to be the lender has to make their risk reward calculation. Therefore, it's more expensive.